That's right now. It's 11 o'clock on this Friday night, January 10th, 2014, time and a half for the Weather Magician PJ Wiggins, the Late Night Report. Friday night, January 10th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock in northern Massachusetts got a temperature of 37 degrees. Temperature with a foggy skies with humidity 86%. Wind speed is calm. Barometer 3.29 inches, 2.33 degrees, and a visibility of a quarter mile an hour. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop. It shows a couple of line of rain showers in 7 Rhode Island, searching after 7 Connecticut, down north of Long Island, and searching in north central and northeastern portions of Long Island. And the rain showers with a touch of sleet, stretching around Pennsylvania, but the rain showers around New York City, searching down New Jersey, down from 7 to southeastern Pennsylvania, down from Maryland, down in Delaware, searching down from eastern Virginia, stretching down to the Carolinas, down from northwestern portions of Georgia, and down through the Alabama, down from Mississippi, down through Louisiana, down off the southeastern Texas Gulf Coast. And back to the rain showers off the east central coast of Florida, and back to the rain showers in east to Tampa, and back to the rain showers in west central portions of Florida. Down in rain showers off the south coast of Texas, down from Louisiana, and a batch of showers from rain and showers from northeastern Texas and down for Arkansas, stretching down through western Tennessee and Kentucky, down for southeastern portions of Missouri, down for Illinois, Indiana, and northern Ohio, down through northern Michigan, down for eastern portions of Wisconsin, and a batch of sleet pelts in central Wisconsin, stretching to north central portions of Michigan, down for west Ontario, batch of snow showers in north central Ontario, stretching to the UP, Michigan, down for Wisconsin, and down for southeastern portions of Minnesota, down for north central Iowa. Air snow and sleet and rain showers in east central portions of Kansas, and rain showers in central portions of Kansas. Batch of snow showers in southern portions of Manitoba, and blobs of snow showers in west and southeastern portions of Saskatchewan. A line of snow showers in the 25 quarter from Colorado Springs, down for Denver, down for Fort Collins, Colorado. A line of snow showers in western portions of Nebraska, and snow and sleet and rain showers in portions of west portions of South Dakota, down the northeastern portions of Wyoming, and back to snow showers in west central portions of Wyoming, and back to the line of snow showers in eastern portions of Idaho, down for northern portions of Utah. A line of snow showers in east central and western portions of Montana, stretching to northern Idaho, down for northeastern Washington, down for southeastern portions of British Columbia. Line of rain showers in the east central portions of Oregon, down for western portions of Idaho. Back to rain showers in northern Oregon, down Washington coastline, and from the I-5 corridor from Portland down to Seattle and western Washington, rain showers and stretching down to southwestern British Columbia, down to snow showers in western Washington mountains, and a blob of snow showers in central portions of British Columbia. Hey, South Dakota, good evening, 34 degrees, overcast skies.
To the free throw line with 1.6 on the shot clock and 6 to go in the quarter.
And satellite for like a solar batch of clouds from northern Mexico, stretch down for Texas, stretch down Louisiana, down from Mississippi, down from northern Alberta, down for Georgia, stretch down for Arkansas, down through Missouri, stretching in Kentucky, stretching in the Carolinas, and stretching from the Great Lakes down for New England, and stretching out through Atlantic Canada, and then clouds stretching for Ontario and Quebec. Patch of clouds from central Kansas, patch of clouds in north central portion of Texas, and for western portion of Oklahoma, line of clouds from western New Mexico, down for southeastern portion of Utah. Patch of clouds from Colorado, stretch down for western portion of Nebraska, down for Dakotas, and stretch down for Wyoming, down for Montana, down for Idaho, down for western Nevada, down for California, stretch down for Oregon, and down for Washington, and stretch down for western portions of British Columbia, down for western portions of Alberta, down for British Columbia. Here. Okay, let's take a look at a satellite look. Our radar, our map situation shows high pressure turning in Nevada, low pressure turning in central portions of Manitoba, and low pressure turning in Iowa and Missouri. Station far from eastern New Mexico, down for northern Texas, down for eastern Oklahoma, down for Missouri. Warm front from Iowa, stretching down from Illinois, stretching down from Indiana, down for Kentucky. And another warm front from central Georgia, stretching down for the Carolinas, down to Virginia. Here. Front boundary from southern Nevada, down to central Arizona. Front boundary from off the California coastline down to San Diego. Front body from central and northern portions of Mexico back to the warm front down for Georgia down for the Carolinas, and a stationary front from central Alberta down for Saskatchewan, warm front from Saskatchewan down for central Manitoba down for Ontario. Here, warm front off Washington, Oregon coastline. 35 degrees out temperature right now in Boston. 37 in Washington, D.C. 47 in Atlanta. 77 in Miami. 67 out in Franceville. 58 in Dallas. 37 in Kansas City. 39 in Chicago. 30 out in Minneapolis. 34 in Denver. 40 in Salt Lake City. 47 in Albuquerque and in Seattle. 33 out in Great Falls. 52 in San Francisco. And 59 in Los Angeles. There. Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for the United States. Temperatures to rise over the east on Saturday, Saturday night, but heavy rain will fall and significant storm will move across the Pacific Northwest with heavy rains, winds of high intensity, and significant mountain storms as far east of the Rockies. Storm system is developing today over the middle of the country, and low pressure will move northeastward across the Midwest, while some light to moderate snow will fall across the upper Midwest. Moderate heavy rainfall will be more widespread and will be developing on ahead of the cold front accompanying the storm system. Lingering freezing rain, snow, and sleet across the northeast is expected to change the plain rain for all locations of Saturday. Rainfall totals are expected to be in 1 to 2 inch range from the Gulf Coast northeastward across the interior southeast and then along much of the entire Atlantic coastline north of North Carolina. Heaviest rainfall is expected from New York City to New England. Clear skies will fall on Sunday, but in the wake of a rainfall, but temperatures should be relatively mild at all. Remnants of the recent cold spell have vanished from the scene, while clear skies and cooler temperatures will return to the plain states on Saturday. Temperatures will be again on rise for Sunday up across the Mississippi Valley, providing a respite for the recent winter cold. That respite will be caused to be brief because of the next frontal system will be approaching from the west later on Sunday and then Sunday night. The next system has its roots across the Pacific Northwest, where a storm system will be moving short later tonight and on Saturday, spreading a heavy rainfall, high winds with very hard snowfall, especially across the Cascades, where at least 1 to 2 feet of snow is expected at highest peaks. Several inches of rain expected along the Washington and Oregon coast, and will be accompanied by possible gale force winds on higher along the coast. As the storm system will move inland on Saturday and then Sunday, the storm will lose much of its strength as it crosses to the western mountains, but still produces locally heavy storm for the many mountain ranges from northern California across and northern Rockies, and another strong cold front pressure spread across much of the west. By Monday morning, and a wet storm system will be forming over the lower Mississippi Valley, and while the east coast warms up to again, where high pressure moves up the Atlantic coast. All right. We're going to take a look at our forecast discussion for the United States.
Your favorite game is 48% shooting for Golden State.
A wave of low pressure will move across the region overnight into the Saturday morning with rain, ice, and expected over the interior late tonight. But will end the temperatures will rise faster than overnight. A strong cold front approaches during Saturday. Locally heavy rainfall and strong winds are expected late Saturday into Saturday evening. Low pressure racing across Canada will swing a cold front across New England on Tuesday. As low pressure crossing the Midwest will bring another chance of rain and storm midweek. 10 p.m. update for Saturday. Issued a SBS mainly for freezing drizzle with light ice accreditation to start from northern Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, and southeast Massachusetts. Temperatures from just below freezing to just above in this area. NSBC temperatures likely still just below freezing, given that temperatures have not been warm enough to so far to space surface temperatures with north of LLJ. Just to the southwest, expect that the temperatures begin rising at midnight, such that the risk will diminish over the next couple of hours. Other than the drizzle, most forecast parameters appear to be tracked at this time, so no other adjustments seem necessary. The bulk of rain looks like they're arriving after the 6 hours to so have adjusted pops.
Let's go back up the barn.
Okay.
Not a good possession.
This is the summary of the hazards to be expected this weekend. For
They've struggled. They have 3 or 4 bench players in the game that struggle to score like that.
rainfall threat, 1 to 2 inches of rain expected mainly Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. Wind threat Saturday, strong south winds expected at a cold front, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. 35-mile-per-hour winds from western Massachusetts and Connecticut. 40-mile-per-hour winds from western down for Providence and down for Boston and points north. 50-mile-per-hour winds with means to Bristol County and Plymouth County and stretching out of Rhode Island coastline and down through Cape the Islands. Here, a lot of advisories. And wind threat Sunday, a strong west winds beyond the cold front expected. 30-mile-per-hour winds from western Massachusetts and Connecticut down to Rhode Island, and then Boston and points north, and 40-mile-per-hour winds from Bristol and Plymouth counties down to Cape the Islands. We are under 3 advisories here. Wind advisory in effect from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. Location, Rhode Island, Eastern Massachusetts. Winds up to 25 to 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Time in 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday afternoon. Impact wind gusts up 45 to 50 miles per hour. Small tree limbs and branches may be brought down. Oscillating power outages are possible. Driving can be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Wind advisory is issued when sustained winds are forecasted to be 31 to 39 miles per hour. Gusts will be ranged between 46 and 57 miles. Winds are strong and capable of down in small tree limbs and branches, possibly causing isolated power outages. Traffic can also be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Slippery conditions possible this evening in the special weather statement, with temperatures near just below freezing on trees that surface may still become icy. Temperatures expected to rise gradually throughout the night, and limited extent of ice accreditation later. For now, driving and walking may be hazardous in spots, so please allow extra time in traveling this evening. Day 1, day and night. Hazard weather not expected time in days 2 to 7. Saturday through Thursday, wind advisory and locally heavy rainfall may lead to some urban and port range flood in late Saturday into Saturday night. So, okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast will like this. By sleeping overnight hours of the night, a chance of drizzle, then rain likely, mainly after 4 a.m. However, is a fog. Otherwise, clouds with a temperature rising around 42 by 5 a.m. Calm wind becoming stop about 5 to 7 miles per after midnight. Chance of precipitation is 6%. New precipitation runs to less than a 10 inch possible. Saturday, rain areas of fog before 2 p.m. High in 56 degrees. Wind with a south. Wind about 17 miles per hour. Increase in 19 miles to 29 miles per afternoon. And winds could gust as 46 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 9%. Noon precipitation runs between 1/2 and 3/4 inch possible. Saturday night, rain mainly before 2 a.m. Patchy fog before 4 a.m. Low around 41 degrees. Windy with a south wind about 23 to 33 miles per hour, coming southwest at 9 to 14 miles per hour. Winds could gust as 48 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Noon precipitation runs between 1 and 2 inches possible. Sunday, Saints got higher 45 degrees. West wind about 13 to 18 miles per hour with gusts at 40 miles per hour. Sunday night, both coast got low on 30 degrees. West wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour. Monday, most sunny skies with a high near 51 degrees. Monday night, chance of showers at the 40 most of skies got low on 38 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Tuesday, chance of showers both skies with a high near 40 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Tuesday night, most skies got low on 31 degrees. Wednesday, a chance of showers, but some skies are high near 42 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Wednesday night, a chance of snow showers, but skies got low on 26 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Thursday, most sun skies down here 37 degrees. Thursday night, podcast got low on 27 degrees. And for Friday, most of the sun skies down here 41 degrees. Meters with a phase of the night. Rainy and a soggy Saturday on top for tomorrow. This is PJ. Once you have a good night with a good positive outside. Be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.